Hey there, it's Teresa with today's 2 Minute Tilt. I remember that Thursday in March of 2012 clearly. I woke up in a bad mood. I mean, just irritable, crabby. As I looked ahead to my day, it was just filled with things I didn't want to do. Laundry, paying bills, cleaning the house. I was way behind on emails. I was way behind on some other things in my business. And the reason I was behind was because I didn't particularly like to do them. And just seeing what was ahead of me for the day, it was like, ugh, crabby, doesn't do it justice. And so as I began doing one of those tasks that I don't like to do, I was checking the emails. I get an email saying that Dan's childhood friend, Brian, only had a few days to live. Now, he had cancer, but Dan had just seen him a month before and he was doing great. So this came out of the blue. We quickly got Dan packed and in the car to head to Michigan so he could be there to say goodbye. I have tears in my eyes. My heart is heavy as I think of his wife. I think of his kids. I think of Brian. I think of Dan. And I pull the laundry out of the wash machine. You know, that laundry that I was really pissed I needed to do. And in that moment, I had the thought, I bet you Brian and Valerie would give anything to have to do laundry today. And in that moment, it hit me at a whole new level. The fact that I am here, that you are here, that we are being given the gift of life this day, that we are breathing is gift. Not something we've earned, not something we've deserved, not even something we've taken care of ourselves and made happen. It's just gift. Which means if we look at it, everything else that happens, including needing to do laundry, is a gift as well.